Only on 7 News, a popular blood thinner with deadly side effects. Tonight, the Call 7 investigators asking tough questions about the safety of Pradaxa. Call 7 investigator Keli Rebon in the newsroom. Kelly, the FDA just finished a safety review. They didn't answer all the questions we asked.
That's right, Mike. The FDA says the risks of taking Pradaxa are not higher than other blood thinners. Yet the FDA acknowledges it's continuing an ongoing safety review.
That I was always tired and couldn't do much of anything.
86-year-old Ruth Schumacher didn't think much about taking the prescription blood thinner Pradaxa until she says it sent her to the emergency room.
I didn't realize it was that bad, or it could be that bad. I just know how I felt, and I was miserable.
She was taken off Pradaxa after she came in with internal bleeding, which doctors say is common for blood-thinning drugs.
Would I have survived? Well, in the 4 months it took for me to lose that much blood, if I lost much more, I think I would have been gone.
The Food and Drug Administration approved Pradaxa 2 years ago, saying unlike other blood thinners, monitoring is not necessary. But just 1 year later, the FDA launched an investigation into the drug after receiving reports of, quote, serious bleeding events. What's more, unlike other blood thinners, there's nothing you can take to reverse the effects of Pradaxa.
If you don't get to the hospital in time, a lot of people have died from this drug.
Seth Katz is one of the lead attorneys in a large-scale lawsuit against Pradaxa's manufacturer, Boehringer Ingelheim.
If you start to bleed while you're taking Pradaxa, there's no way to stop it.
And Katz claims the company didn't tell doctors.
The company knew, but they failed to adequately disclose it, not only to you as the end user, but also to your doctor.
The company admits on its website it's working on an antidote for Pradaxa, but would not answer our questions directly about the medication, instead issuing a written statement insisting it's safe and the lawsuit is without merit. We reviewed a report citing the FDA's own numbers that shows 3,700 people had problems after taking Pradaxa in 2011. Among those, 644 suffered a stroke. 542 died.
It is quite a complicated drug if you're having large amounts of active bleeding.
Dr. Peter Buttrick, head of cardiology at University of Colorado Hospital, says patients need to take precautions.
There is obviously research that's ongoing to try to develop agents that can reverse the drug. They just haven't come on the market yet.
The FDA says even though Pradaxa has no antidote, the drug is superior to another blood thinner. The FDA goes on to say it's instructed doctors how to properly prescribe it without patient monitoring. Schumacher says it's one step at a time for her and feels much better after being taken off Pradaxa.
There have been many people who've died after taking this drug. How does that make you feel?
Lucky. Very lucky.
So for now, the FDA has not changed its recommendations regarding Pradaxa, saying it provides an important health benefit when used as directed, and discontinuing its use could increase the risk of stroke. We've posted the company's statement about Pradaxa and the FDA's review on our website, thedenverchannel.com. Live in the newsroom, I'm Call 7 investigator Keli Rebon.